Hello, welcome back. You seriously need to see this best car power antenna. It's officially the most talked about item this month. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. Talking about quality, it is absolutely impressive. They used high-grade, durable materials built to last. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The smart technology inside makes it so efficient. The interface is intuitive and works right out of the box. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: inventory is very low. See the deal in the bio, and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone.